The best Sunday plan that you need to know with whatsoever you're taking in as a drink. Best healthy Sunday plan. So I have decided to make this plan my Sunday routine. I'm going to be doing this every Sunday. Then I know that for the whole week, I have something in the fridge that I'm actually taking as a drink. Not soda, not those things that is not healthy anymore. All right, so this is today Sunday and I'm actually making another smoothie. Now I have a lot of different fruits I'm adding up. Can you see this is already very colorful? Okay, so this is watermelon and I have here avocado, pear, I have pawpaw, I have banana, and I have cucumber. Whoa, so how many things do we have here? 4, 5 fruits here. So we're going to be blending it together. I'm going to enjoy yourself. Seriously, I'm going to be putting it in these bottles, putting it inside the fridge. I bet you and I tell you, it is better than those things that you drink, those energy drink and whatever soda drink, whatever it is, just to feel the best. All right, so watch me as I blend. I'm just going to be blending it for you to know that it's not stressful, it's not expensive. 1,500, by the time you know, you just spend only 3,000 or 3,000 naira to do this, than to not be spending how much thousand to drink what I don't know that is not good for your health. All right, so let's do this together. Let's blend them together and let's pocket them inside our fridge. So join me as we do it. It's my hands. Okay, so let's put some of our watermelon. My hands are clean. Yes, I just washed them. Watermelon. Okay. I think that's fine. That's okay. So let's put in our banana, avocado, pawpaw. We'll just be mixing it together. All right. Okay. Yeah, so our cucumber, some of it, and our pawpaw, some of it. Okay. Yeah. Are you seeing that? Okay, more banana. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this first. Now, this is very thick, so we are going to add water to it. Just a little water. And then we are going to grind it. Cover it. Okay. Then we grind. Whoa, it's not responding the way I want it to be. So let me use this. All right. Okay, so one more time, we are going to grind this again. All right, let's do it. You see that? One more time, then we take take it off and go to the next serve. Okay, so let's put it into our container. I'm gonna open it up so I can have a good flow. Yeah. Ooh, the color is amazing. Our Sunday routine plan for our drink. We've got one already. We just have to be consistent with it. Okay. The second one. I need to remain some so I can grind more inside without adding too much water. Okay, so we go ahead for the next set. We're going for the next set. Okay. Yeah. This. I think we are going to do this 3 times. Okay. It's going to go the 3rd time. So. Okay. Yeah. So. I'm excited that I'm going to be taking this soon. One more time. Yeah, good. Okay, so we are done with this. Woo! 3rd one. We're getting ready for the 3rd one. So let's turn this. Okay. Yeah. This much. Okay, so won't add any water, don't forget to always remain, so you won't add so much water. You just continue with the liquid form. So we are doing the last one. Let's do it together. Okay, so this is fed off. All right, we are good to go. We are done. It doesn't take time. It does not take time. So you don't need to say it's stressful. I'm not going to blend. I'm not going to take smoothie. No. One more time. Is my machine hot? No, it's not hot. It's not. Me, we. This is good. It's a good blender. Whoa, I think we are good. So let's test it together before we turn the rest. Why are you splashing on me? Why? Okay, let's test this. This is how it looks, okay? Oh my God. Ah. Okay, so I'll be turning this into this rubber. And we are good. This is really delicious. So thank you so much. You need to really try yours. Why not make it a routine so that every Sunday you do this, you just blend it, put it in your fridge for the whole week. You take it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and just finish it, guys. So try it, enjoy it, and have fun. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like so you see the different fruits you can mix to have a delicious smoothie. Thank you for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please join our membership. We appreciate you.